So cells are microscopic, but they're incredibly complex in both their composition and their behavior. And communication between and within these cells requires these things called chemical messengers. We now know that ketones function as chemical messengers. So ketones that are produced by our livers, for example, in a state of nutritional ketosis, have many different effects within the cell. They can go into the mitochondria and be metabolized for energy, and that itself can communicate a lot about the environment to the body. And they can even interact with our DNA in a way that controls what genes we're expressing. So these molecules are really incredible. And really over the past decade, we've seen this explosion in research looking at how these ketones function as signaling molecules and what effects do they elicit. Our body communicates through chemical messengers. But not only that, it uses these chemical messengers to respond to our environment. When these free radicals or reactive oxygen species accumulate to a higher level than our body is able to cope with them, they can begin to damage the tissue. And interestingly, in a state of ketosis, you often see a reduction of oxidative stress in these animal model systems. So again, one more reason why scientists are very interested in understanding this role, this potential role of ketones.